Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to go from this to this with this eyeshadow tutorial. We are kicking off the green color series week and I'm super excited because it is my favorite color. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Today I'm using this new BPerfect Cosmetics base that came with my Beauty Bay package. So far I'm liking it. It's my second time trying it, but I will keep you guys updated. The first eyeshadow I'm just placing is Pillow Talk, just to give a pop and set under the brow. Then we're going in with Nude, and we're just going to start placing the shape of the eyeshadow that we want to take. Wait, I said that backwards. I'm placing the eyeshadow to the shape that I want to take. These shadows are from the Carnival XL Pro palette by BPerfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie. To start blending that out, I'm taking the eyeshadow Y though from the same palette. Now we're going to go in and add more definition and depth. I'm taking the eyeshadow Lights Out, and this is the black from that same palette, and an angled brush. Because we have our shape already laid down, I'm just going to continue to follow that. And I like to think of eyeshadow as layers, so I have my base layers already put, but I want to add more depth and darkness to it and dimension. So with the eyeshadow Nude, I'm going to go over that black and it's going to just intensify the green. So this part's going to take a bit of time. We're just going to be tapping into the eyeshadow Nude back and forth and blending that all over the black. So essentially we don't want to see too much black. We want to lay the green more on top of it and blend it out. Now we're going to go back with the eyeshadow Y though. This is my reference to layers because we're going to go back and forth with our shadows. And we're going to blend out that harsh edge and diffuse the dark green a little more towards the brow. Once you're satisfied with your blending, complete the next eye. And today I'm using a new Juno & Co. number 8 flat packer brush with my trusty NYX Glitter Primer. I will say I really enjoyed using this brush to pack on that glitter primer, so I'm gonna keep trying it out. I don't think I'll use it for eyeshadow just yet. I don't feel like it's dense enough, but as far as applying creams and primers, I think it works really nicely. And I'm just going to tap that all over my lid where I want my shimmer to stick. And I'm going to go in with the shimmery eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics Solar Flare palette. This is the eyeshadow Ozone. It does have some fallout, but it's worth it to me because the eyeshadow is gorgeous. It's a stunning color. The camera can never do it justice, but it's more of a medium brown with a goldy light shift to it. Just makes me think of like Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I don't know what it makes me feel, but you could wear this eyeshadow with any other eyeshadow color in your crease, browns, blacks, colors, and it will look stunning. And remember, for your NYX Glitter Primer, you don't want to add too much. Just a tiny little dot will work just fine. And then just start packing it on. I'm using my trusty e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This is what I used almost 98% of the time I'm doing shimmers on the lid. And just pack it all over. Don't use swiping motions. To add more definition on the outer corner, I'm going to use the eyeshadow Intuition back in the Carnival XL Pro palette. I was tempted to do the green at the bottom, but I wanted to coordinate with the brown, so I'm just going to do this all over the bottom lash line. And with the pencil brush, I'm blending it with the color Basic from the same palette. Just tapping away the fallout I had from the shimmer with the foundation brush. Now I'm taking my NYX white liquid liner. I'm just doing an inline on half of my eyelid. I'm not going to take it all the way because I don't want it to be too graphic on the outer edge, because I know I've been doing that a lot in my past videos, so I didn't want to take it all the way. Plus, it gives your lid a nice pop. Once you have your lashes on, it helps to bring more light to your eyeshadow. Using the eyeshadow Nuke again and the angled brush, I'm just gonna start lining the lash line and blending that up into the corner. I'm also gonna tap into a little bit of the black eyeshadow Lights Out and gonna darken that even more. And with my Melt Cosmetics Fortuna Ultra Matte Gel Liner, it's such a deep, rich green color, and I love it so much. I'm gonna deepen the rest of the lash line from the inner corner to about 3/4 of the way. Then with my NYX Inner Eye Brightener in the shade Linen, I'm gonna put that on my waterline. And I'm gonna dip into the Jackie Aina palette for the inner corner highlight. To finish off the eye look, I'm just going to add my lashes and mascara. Don't forget, I will be posting details on my Instagram if you want to know the specific products. That way you can check it out. My link is in the description below. To finish off the face, I'm just gonna add some powder and set my whole face before we continue with the bronzer, blush, and highlight. Lately, I've been carving out my cheeks before I add the bronzer and contour, so it helps blend out that edge. And I'm taking this Belgian Waffle palette from BH Cosmetics and I'm holding in my hand. And I'm using the two bronzers at the top to put all over my face. I love this palette. It also came with my Beauty Bay package and I've only used it maybe 3 times and I'm already in love with it. I honestly have to say Melissa, or Make Me Up Missa, made me buy it from YouTube, from her videos, because as soon as she started using it, I just fell in love with the way it looked. So yeah. I'm also using both of the highlighters in the palette. I'm just tapping into both of them and putting that on the highest parts of my face. For blush, I'm going in with the Whaley and Physician Formula palette using the one at the bottom center. I am heavy-handed with the blush, so just do as you prefer. I just put a nude lip liner on, but I'm going in with my Verg MUA nude gloss. If you don't have this, what are you doing? Go to vergmualashes.com and get yourself one. And also run to this Maybelline lifter gloss. It's my favorite. I'm obsessed with it, and yeah. Once you set your face, don't forget to press. The products will melt together. You get rid of that powdery, cakey look, and it blends in more. And this is a finished look. I am just in love with it. Green is my favorite color, and I love creating green looks. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.